Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I got this. Now I'm going to try this craft. Now I remember my sister doing this a long time ago, and it's a rug making kit. I got this from a website called Paint Some Way, and I was showing it. I was showing this to my sister Sandra, and this is what it is. You get the whole kit with this. You get all the wool, all the yarn, you get some extra ones, you get all the yarn that you need to make this pattern. It's a rug. You can put it at the side of your bed, put it in your bathroom. It's made with this matting, and on the back is the diagram. Now it tells you what yarns to use and what area. It's a little bit like diamond painting or painting by numbers, but you're using yarn to do it. I'll pop that there. Now you get all the yarns that you need. That one's came out of its little bag. Push that back in. You get all the yarn, and you get the little hook. This is called a latch hook, and a latch hook just means like this. It's a little bit like the hook that you get on knitting machines, and what you'll do is it's got this non-slip surface on that side, so you don't need to add any non-slip. That's like a sort of silicone matting on that side. And this is your map. Now what you do is, these are your corresponding squares. Down here you've got all your corresponding squares like this. So what you'll do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll put yellow in. So you'll put, it's got an eye in it, and that's that yellow. I'll move that off to the side. And there's some in there as well, the same yellow. So what you'll do is you just grab a piece of your yarn, fold it in half, like that, fold it in half. You put your hook under the line. I'll move that there, under the line. Push your hook right through, and then pull it forward, and it'll latch closed like that. Pull it through, and then push and pull your yarn through the loop a little bit. I like the way you do when you're doing. Just pull that up a little bit. A little bit the same way that you do when you're adding a fringe to a scarf. Now, where is my yarn? So you'll be able to sort yourself out a little bit better with this. So I'm going to get myself nice and comfortable. I'm going to move all of that out of the way. Up there. I'll put that there. Get my hook, my piece of yarn. So you just get yourself nice and comfortable. Fold your yarn. Put your hook through the next one, the next line, right through, and hook your yarn on. Pull it through. You'll get the hang of this. Pull your 2 strands through and pull it through the loop. Now once you're on a desk, you've got yourself on a desk and you're all nice and comfortable, you'll be able to do this really easy. Now we have to do 7 in the yellow. So push through, grab your 2, make sure you've not caught your yarn. Grab your 2 pieces and pull it through. See how much easier that becomes. I've got a pigeon sitting on my windowsill. Pull that through, pull it right through, push your hook, catch your 2 strands. It's just a little bit fiddly because of the way I'm sitting here at this desk. And pull it through. Just give it a little wriggle back and forward. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 7. And all you'll do is just follow your map. So once I've done my 7 eye in this square, then I'll do the green section. And that's the green ones. There's a little bit there and I've got some in that bag. Then there's a little line of black and you'll just follow your little map and do each square at a time. And then you should end up with this rug. Once you've done it, you just need to trim any that are sticking up. It'll get much thicker once we do some more. But I really like it. You do get bigger ones of these. This is just like a little bath mat size or a little doormat size. And I do like it that it's already got that non-slip surface here on the back for you. You don't need to add any in. So that's what I'm going to be getting up to for the next few days. I'll work my way around some of this. You can do this when you can do this when you're sitting watching the TV as well. As long as you've got it on a table, get yourself comfortable. Start with the colour of yarn. You can, if you want, do all the yellow, then maybe, oops, that way. You can do all the yellow, then you can do all the green, then you can do all the different colours, move it around, or you can go square by square. It's up to you. So I'll put a link underneath the video for Paint Some Ways website. Now, they do diamond painting, they do these rug making kits, they do painting by numbers, they've got crochet, they've got knitting, they've got lots of other crafts, they've got resin art, there's lots and lots of different crafts, scrapbooking, card making, punches, all that kind of art and craft items. It's worthwhile having a look because they're a really good price. And this one was about £18 UK money. That is great for a project like this, or if you want to give it as a gift. There's ones that are all different prices, so pop along and have a look. So thank you very much for watching. I'll give you a little update as I'm going to sit and do some of this. I'll give you another little video update with this rug. And what you're looking for is DIY latch hook kits. Really easy. Once you get yourself comfortable, it's a lot easier than what I showed you. It's a lot easier. You really get through this once you've got it on your lap or on your table. Sit and watch TV while you do it. Do it box by box. It might be easier to do that. Or you can do all the colours. Just find a box and do each colour individually if you want, and it will all come together into this beautiful latch hook rug like this pretty little cap. And it does give you quite clear instructions on how to do it. If you've ever put a fringe on a scarf or anything like that, it's really easy. It's easy to get to grips with, and you can even have children doing this as well. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.